Maria Luisa Isip of Adamson. She has a right to be happy here in set number 3. Adamson on top by 2. She likes her time on the camera and on TV. Magandang araw po sa inyo and to everybody watching on Studio 23. It's the men's Final Four matchup. Number 2 seeded UST Rowling Tigers. Arbasto nailing that one against the number 3 seeds Adamson Soaring Falcons.
Arbasto again working the middle. He's been steady, especially with those middle attacks, and that's giving Adamson some problems. Nice block.
Wow. Alfafara, another solid block at the net.
This was a play read very well. Ayun, kita mo, basang-basa ni nauna pa nga si Alfafara, and that's how you block it. Not the other way around na aantayin mo na nasa taas na yung attacker. This time Alfafara did the right thing.
2 straight points para sa UST, but that little run halted by Naggalang open hit. Balikang lamang sa Adamson by 1, 9-8.
John Pagtalunan.
That's the thing if you're a powerful hitter, ano? Kahit na may block, directly behind you, kaya mong patalbogin out of bounds, ano? Combination with Arbasto. Finishing, wala. Napalakas.
That's right. No touch from the block. Arbasto taking the middle. No one actually going up with him. Yun ang sayang pagka ganon. Ibig sabihin, your combination was not effective because Arbasto was made useless in that play.
After that 2-0 run by UST, Adamson with their own 2-0 run. And a service error from Pagtalunan.
April John Pagtalunan, the setter of Adamson, hitting it into the net.
Anthony Arbasto for UST.
Nice play.
Rico with the finish and the point for UST. We're tied at 10.
Nice play from Okang and Rico.
Timeout by Adamson. We'll listen in to Coach Custodio.
Timeout. Adamson.
Nagdepensa ka.
Score.
Kamay mo yung bola, Nagdepensa ka. Ay, parang baliwala eh. Yun lang nga, kung nanalo tayo dyan, makakapuntos kayo dyan. Huwag yung pakakawalan, pati yung blocking, nawawala na rin. Wala na rin. Guys, all pa lang yan, isa yung isip ko lang.
Concern lang ni Coach Custodio is nawala na yung factor that made them dominant in set number 1, yung blocking.
That's right.
Nawala na.
That's right. And that's a factor that we stressed earlier. If Adamson controls that department just the way that they did in that win in the second round of the eliminations, then this is going to be a game going their way. But so far, sabi nga ni Coach Custodio, nawawala. Over ball. Again, the reception of Adamson.
Malakas ng konti. Pagtalunan had a hard time keeping it alive. And maiabot para kay Jardin. Take a look. Tinaas niya. And that was a little off sa direksyon ni Jardin.
Now UST with a 1-point lead.
They changed favor dito sa set number 3. Good save by Ramos. Alfafara.
Oh, nice play.
Galang the push. Pagtalunan, excellent save.
Pagtalunan with a good save.
Free ball, UST. They go to Alfafara. Easy pickup though para sa Adamson. Galang flying in. Nice position, good position there from Depante. Alfafara again.
Ganda ng exchange na to.
Excellent defense by both teams, pero that anticipation at the net by Alfafara made the difference.
All right, they're trying to get the call from first referee season. An overreaching call.
A good shot, says the referee. 12-10. Service. Arbasto.
Now UST with a 2-point lead, 12-10. We'd like to apologize to Rodolfo Hardin Hardin pala yun. Jardine.
That's right, that's right. Sometimes nagkakaproblema sa pronunciation. And UST with that long exchange, ending it with a
Super Hardin for Adams.
error, and Adamson down by 1 again.
Ayun si Rodolfo Hardin serving.
Serving this time, Hardin.
Ramos plays setter.
Ooh!
Rico from the open.
Corner pocket.
See, Rico's, we know him to be a middle attacker.
Middle, Such versatility by this Growling Tigers squad.
Corner shot right there.
For UST.
13 serving 11. Better reception from Adamson. Got
Wow!
Galang on
Wow! That's the play that they have missed so far. Kasi nga walang reception. Now they get a good reception. And you give Galang a huge opening with a single block in front. So that's almost a sure point right there for Galang.
And it landed between Alfafara and Doloiras. I mean, against two players, hindi pa nila nakuha ganong kalakas yun. Ramos!
Lifting violation. It hit his forearm. Not a clean save there from Malion.
Mason Ramos, team captain.
Ramos, short on the serve. Still keeping the window open.
Yeah.
There's Coach Emil Lonto.
And assistant coach Benji Mape right there also.
And also nakita nyo rin si Coach Oji Mamon.
Oji Mamon, yeah, you're right.
Ng women's division ng UST. And mukhang maghapon na dito si Coach Mamon, ano?
Oh, nice serve.
Lucky. Ace.
Tied at 14.
Para kay Competente of Adamson. UST. Ano yun, si Coach Mamon, ano?
Yeah.
Mahina pang tanghali yan dito.
Full day at the office for Coach Mamon.
2 straight points. Adamson, we're tied at 14. Depante finally getting one over. That block from his open hit kanina pa yan mula first set. Denied sa area na yan. Ano,
That's
nakabawi.
Right. Nakalusot ng isa.
Close third set here as USD takes the lead right back. 15-14. Poor reception. Naging setter si Longavela. And that results in an attack error para sa Adamson. UST back to their 2-point advantage. Set number 3, 16-14 against Adamson.
Second.